This is Laura. I want to talk about GIFs. Can you use them for your small business? Yes. Can you make them for free? Yes. And I'm going to show you how. They're fun little pictures that move and kind of filter through several different images often. You can make them for free. You take your smartphone and you go to your app store. The one I'm using today and showing you is called GIF Maker. You download it for free, takes 30 seconds, and then I'm going to show you when you download GIF Maker, phone, there it is. I'm going to launch GIF Maker and show you just your Today I'm going to show you the most basic, which is taking photos directly off your phone, linking them together using this app, and you can directly upload it to Facebook, Instagram, and a few other locations. So we're going to click on Photo to GIF. It is going to access my phone's photo gallery. With this free version, you can select up to 5 images or 5 videos. So we're going to do 5 images right off my phone. I'm going to start, let's just use my logo as one. A picture of me smiling, and a picture of me thumbs upping Communication Hackers. It says you can have 40, but with this free version, actually the max is 5. I don't want to spend the $5 today to get the upgraded app because I'm all about cheap hacks. So we've selected 3 pictures. The next thing you can do is rearrange the order of them or delete any if you decided you don't want those in your GIF. But I like these, so I'm going to click the next button. You can apply a filter very similar to an Instagram filter here to change the colors. If we wanted our GIF to be in kind of a brown and white sepia effect, we can have that. But I'm going to click max because that maximizes my color and makes them look kind of cool. So you're probably wondering, well, dang, this GIF is moving way too fast. How do we slow it down? I want to be able to control this and the rate at which it flips through my photos. So we click on this speed. It looks like a little gauge down there. And out of the maximum speed, we're only at about 1/3 right now, but I'm going to slow her way down. So it filters through 3 pictures just like that. You can apply text by clicking this add text, and we could say hello to the world. We can make our text smaller or larger wherever we want it. It'll add it to actually all of the photos as it's flipping through the GIF here. And really that's it. Let's say it's Monday morning, you just want to take a few pictures at an event or do some behind the scenes photos or just have some words on some slides and it filters through those and moves through it like a mini video. You can do it for free. This is my GIF. And the next thing, once you're happy with it, is to go ahead and save it. So I'm going to click this little button that has a box and it says I can upload it places, that little box. I don't want to rate the app right now. I'm going to go ahead and save it right to my gallery so that I have a copy of it on my phone. You can also directly go straight to Facebook, Twitter, or Instagram, but we're going to go straight to my phone and save it into my phone's gallery, just like this as a moving GIF. So we hit gallery, save as a GIF, and it's successfully saved in my gallery. So if I edit, get out of there and I want to go to my phone, and here's my GIF that I just made. And you'll see it's playing my GIF. Now from here on my phone, I can easily go ahead and upload it directly to Facebook. So there you are, a quick little app. It costs nothing. You can create these little things and dump them on Facebook every day of the week and engage with your followers. And it's just like a mini video. So if you're not using GIFs, Try out this tool. Let me know what you think. If you have any problems or questions, I would love to see if I can help answer them.